Wow, I just made a lot of subscribers since I just like pretty much get rid of all my reaction videos after that one tragic day because I just made that last one and then come back for only just Big Bang Bot videos for reaction. What kind of new video idea I had to make? Oink. Who's there? Oink oink. Wait, what was it? Hey sir, was you thinking about something Angry Birds? Because the Angry Birds movie's yet to come out. And also that guy actually made the two videos called Angry Birds on Crack. So, or Angry Birds movie on crack. So that's a good idea. So what do you think? Maybe like something weirder. Oh yeah, we're gonna make a spiritual successor of these two, the Angry Birds movie on crack. We're gonna call it Angry Birds on Crack 3. More like Angry Crack 3. That seems a good name. That's a good name. Well, time to make a video. There's a big bird in this goddamn castle. No, not in these walls. In the castle, you idiots. Come on, you guys. Fraud!
Rex. The originality! Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Okay, if you're gonna mess with my popcorn, I'm gonna popcorn you!
Are we speaking telepathically?
Yeah! Ow! I think I hit my head. I wonder what's on TV or something. Let me see if there's something good on TV.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that private time?
Fucking fan service! The aftermath. Hey guys, I just had some pain on my in my head because of the goddamn fan service. What's happened to you, Red? Tell us, what is the only thing you have fear in your head? Fan service on this goddamn shipping. Well, maybe we could have watched something pretty funny. You want to see it? Well, fine. I should have some. Oh, here, have some popcorn and soda. Thank you. What? Is this really funny? It looks kind of, okay. Have one thing I had to say. Fan service! 911, what is your emergency call? I think someone's gonna stuff one of the pigs in the Fazbear suit. I have to say something to you.
Yugi, you little you son of a I'm going to tear off your and shove them right up your and then on your with in the and your so then you'll have to sideways.
Did they say yes? No. I think I might get a dying this morning from the purple guy. You meant purple pig. Seriously, you idiots. It is that moment. Dr. Wabbit. He got wrecked. Fuck you, Doctor. Everybody's reacting to this horrifying animation of Undertale. What the fuck? Please, man. I don't want to die for that goddamn Planet 81 parody, dude. Seriously, I want to read that goddamn book, that demon episode. No, I can rub this rock because I'm so scared. No, no, no.
Oh my god.
Wait. That's it? Is it over? Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. I think I saw gas during this. He'll always freak me out. Now I'm gonna cry for this goddamn animation. This always scared me from my life since I've been on the Final Special Smash 4. So much later, everybody's always been screaming and crying from this animation, and now we had to cut to the final frame of the video. Warning, it might contain blood in this segment, so please be patient.
Full turn of events. Horrible.
You know what, Toby Fox and that dude who made this video? I'm out of here. Seriously, I'm out. Ooh. Man, Red got a lot of painful memories on that nightmares like this goddamn flower. Yeah, he looks like Bill Cipher all over again. Well, I think you might have to watch a whole series about that. Seriously, man. Well, I think I need to go to the bathroom and take a shower first. Well, I think you might need some love from me, Stella. No, Red is my boyfriend. Yeah, Bomb is my boyfriend, too. Well, I think I gotta commit suicide first. Okay, if you said our franchise is cancer, I will find you. I will kill you. God damn it. Who's laughing? Who's fucking laughing? It's actually me. I just fucking laughing. Because I don't want to make a die laughing your jokes. Because they're so unoriginal. Okay, if you said my jokes are unoriginal. Okay, who's doing this? I can't breathe because I have breathing issues. Can you give me some? Can you get the goddamn breathing issue? Can you breathe a breathing equipment on you? Yeah. Okay. Stop annoying with me. If you said our franchise sucks monkey butts, I will find you. I will kill you. Pop goes the weasel! Boom! Okay, buddy, you're gonna be here in like about before 3 p.m. I'm gonna beat you up and I'm gonna smash you into pieces. Now I have to go to this goddamn anger management classroom. Damn it! Let me in, Stella! What do you want from me, you little crazy murderer? Because I want all your money, you little bastard! Okay, let me add you in. Hello? Let me open this door. What? Okay, what do you want? Give me all your money, you bastard! Don't call me a bastard. Okay, you know what that means? Here's... Seriously, Poppy? That John Cena meme is cancer. It's not cancer, you little bastard! Seriously, you're much worse than Flappy, you little dummy. Don't call me a dummy, you little dummy! Yeah, I told you. Get out of my goddamn house and leave me alone. Okay, you little donkey! Calm down. Okay, donkey. Just leave me alone, and I need some goddamn business. Okay, then, you little princess. Go call me like princess. Princess. Alright. Good luck, you little bastard. Hey, girl, what's in the goddamn box? Just open it. If you see something a little weird, you might get to barf yourself. Aw, dude, you're just being nasty. You're improving my best friend. Well, you're my best friend first, before I just being, you're being trait, before I being become an evil ruler of this island. Well, let me see what's inside of this goddamn present. Let me open it. Go get him. Go get it. Alright, let me see. What? What? Wait a minute. What's happened, Stella? I think something is almost getting me on my nerve. Okay, what do you think, Stella? Was it something about the blue dude, a kid with the blue hat, and the kid who has some pressure issues? Yes. Look! Oh my gosh. For those fangirls. They ruined our burnanity. Or is it humanity? Who cares? I freaking hate you, Gale. Traitor! So you said the creek is the worst thing ever? I just love this. I gotta fuck up your house. I gotta burn your friends. I gotta burn Vesper's friends. I gotta kill that goddamn Rachel child. I gotta throw my boyfriend to the goddamn kitchen. And everything I need is burn this goddamn cake. Boom. I tear it, then crush it. You traitor. Oh, I gotta paint this beautiful picture. Oh, hey, what is it? Can I draw the picture? Yeah, you can do it. Alright, let me draw it. Okay, I'll move it away. Well, I gotta paint something. What the? What? So, what do you think? I think you have a hallucination on this shipping. I don't care. Gale is actually betrayed me. Because she just betrayed me to join the pig side. Well, us had to build a plan to put Creek in every state. In New York, San Francisco, Georgia, Washington, D.C., Jungle of New, Ant Hill, the suburbs, goddamn Hollywood. We're gonna rule this world filled with Creek shipping. Oh my god. I think you become freaking insane, man. You see, Widow? I wanna ship Creek forever. And ever, 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 and ever. Stella, just wake up. Have you lost your mind? What? Oh gosh, get rid of the goddamn thing. Burn it in hell. I'm sorry. This is the best thing we had to do. We had to just get rid of that Creek thing in every state because of your sin. Seriously, if you ship Creek one more time, I'm gonna burn you in hell. Obey the Creek shipping. Destroy Matt and Trey. Yeah. And so, after that Creek incident in Golden Island, Stella's mysteriously commits suicide after this tragic, and Willis had to trying to say sorry to her. And now, Stella's now a ghost, and she possessed a chicken. A very ugly chicken. Well, you know what kind of chicken? This chicken. Look at those hips. Can you stop being a perv? Oh, my bad. I don't want to be a little pervy. Still, go away. Sorry, man. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the first of the Angry Birds crack videos. Ever since the two of them made by one of my friends, Yoshi Fan Something, I would have to inspire making these videos. And also, why I had to do that Creek segment? Because of that episode. Oh my god, I have a terrible headache from that episode. So yeah, I know, that segment is just a whole joke already. And like Stella that possessed Toy Chica is also the joke. So yeah, it's all a joke, everybody. Sorry all those language I said, because even through this is going to be uploaded on the second channel for the first time. There will be more of them possibly around tomorrow or something, even if I had to get the new glasses, because of rest in peace on these old glasses. So yeah, so stay tuned for more Angry Birds Crack 3, or Angry Crack 3, or Silly Birds Randomness. So yeah, hope you might see more videos. So bye for now. Bye.